Welcome to our quick guide on setting up watch page ads on YouTube. Let's get started. First, navigate to your YouTube studio. Here, the magic begins. Select Monetization from the menu. This is where you manage your ad settings. Next, choose the type of ads you want to run, like overlay ads or skippable video ads. Once selected, set your preferred ad duration and frequency. Balance is key. Finally, review your settings and save. Congratulations, your ads are now set. Monetizing your videos can lead to amazing growth. Use these ads wisely. Regularly check your analytics to see what works best. Adapt, refine, succeed. Remember, the more engaging your content, the better your ads will perform. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more video marketing tips. See you next time. Let's take your content to the next level together. Happy monetizing! Unlock your channel's potential today.